What's up everybody, it's Javidan here. Today I will show you how to make your very first Python file. So newsflash, I just installed a new theme. Look, it's called Proma if you wondering. So just search it up on Google if you want to download the theme. By KDR3W or KDrew. Okay, so let's get into the point. So first of all, I have Python. So we are going to use Python idle, Python GUI. Wait for it to load. It will take some times, but yeah, you know what I mean. So here we are, Python. So for some system, when you try to move the window itself, it's laggy. That because it's I don't know. Maybe it's a node thing. So here we are, version 2.7.16. You can use whatever version you like to use, but I suggest you use the newer version. So click file, new file, or control N. Here, let's begin our code. So type import. So I'm not going to talk. So here, just type whatever I type. So so I mean, can you hear me now? Okay. So here we are. So here we are, our very first Python file. So click run or F5. The module must be okay. Save. Name it whatever you want. .py. Okay, save. So here it's already run. If we go, if we run it again, hold on, it's still loading. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Okay, so here now it's working. So yeah, that's basically it. I will show you a fun trick. The fun trick is that you can draw ASCII on it like a text. So here I'm going to give you an example. So I'm going to draw a single box. So this is the box I'm talking about here, right here. So if we click run module F5, here we can see the box, and that's basically pretty much it. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. I hope this video will be very useful for you in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.